everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and welcome to the video today. I am filming in our condo that we rented. It's really cool. We are on a little getaway this weekend. So this is our Saturday crafting therapy, and it is crafting therapy 61, am I right? How fun is that? So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at a little kit that I bought from Crafter's Companion. It is fall oriented, the whole thing. It is packed full. What we're going to do is look at everything and try to make a project that you will like, and so that will be a really fun thing, especially since it's October and we are ready for some cooler temperatures. At least I hope that you are, because I am. And it is supposed to be 70s tomorrow, so it's going to be really nice, and we are excited about our little trip. So let's dig in and see what's in this box. Okay, so excuse my little arrangement here. It's a little bit different. Let's see what we find in this box. All right, the box is called Hello Fall, and it does have autumn and Halloween items in it. There's over 530 elements. It is a collection from Crafter's Companion. And I know all of you do love fall as well as I do. So I know Christmas is also on the horizon. So we've got a lot to do here. All right, let's see. Well, you can just really open this box right on up, can't you? All right. Let's just open it all the way. Look at that. That's one way to open a box, isn't it? Okay, so Hello Fall, and it's just a little thank you. Let me get this off. I love that the tissue paper matches the box color. It says, thank you for purchasing and join us for tutorials, etc. from Sarah. So we've got some beautiful gems here and pearl type. Black, these are all black. Ooh, there's stamps. Look at that. So let's see, happy Thanksgiving. If you can see any better than that. Happy Thanksgiving, 'tis the season to be spooky. Hello autumn, hello fall. So very thankful for you. A lot of fun. Oh, happy pumpkin spice season. Nice stamps. So these are already embossed. You've got the debossed side and the embossed side, and I hope that you can see it. I don't know how good my light actually is here. And then you have the pumpkins with the cream. So you have that, and then you have it in the white where you could add the colors that you want. So I don't know if you can see that very well. And please excuse the fingernails. All right, and then this, oh, look how cute. Are these just some ephemera, looks like? How fun is that? Ooh, look what else is in here. We have some little charms, some pumpkin charms. We have some black glitter. Let's see what else is here. We've got some stamp pads. They're shimmer stamp pads, so they're minis. Pumpkin, autumn night, and forest green. So you get 3 of those. And then it looks like you get glitter paste in this cool color. It looks like a autumn, but it is a fall color. Glitter paste. Then you get some glue, the sponge, and the gilding flakes in that pretty kind of gold coppery color. Very nice. Some twine, some black ribbon. Look at these pre-made tags, you guys. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how many there are. There are tons. Look at this. All pre-made. Wow. What a fun thing to play with, huh? Then some wood veneer pieces of pumpkins and leaves. I don't know if there's any acorns, but then you have your cards. So this is your cards pre-made, and there's some shimmer in there, I see. So there's black in the cream, and it looks like you have like a 4x4, probably a 4x6 and a 6x6 maybe. And then your envelopes, so if you wanted to make cards with them. Then this is glitter paper or shimmer paper, special cardstock. Some stickers, look at those, with that beautiful foil color on there. Then this looks like some die-cut spider webs, maybe. A couple of more stamps, Halloween, happy Halloween trick or treat. Then some more papers, a stencil. Then these are pre-cut leaves. Look at that. Oh, how fun. Then here's some more. These are white. You could make them any color you wanted. And here is a tree, black or cream. Some pre-cut boxes. How fun is that? So it looks like you get a black and a cream and 2 different sizes. Oh my goodness, keep going. Here's some acetate. So let's look at the acetate, really. Okay, this is pre-printed acetate. And it is always fun to play with acetate. Make a box or whatever. So look at this. Look how pretty. I don't know if you can really see it, but it is pretty leaves. And then here's another one. And then bats. And I don't do anything with bats, so I don't know if any of you do. Let me know if you do. All right, then what do we have next? So let's just set that aside. This is some fun. Is this vellum? It is. So this is like specialty. This is nice and thick, very thick vellum. Really pretty. Let's see. I don't know if you'd even call it vellum. I guess so. Look at these leaves here. How pretty is that? So you get 4 pieces of that. And then let's look at the papers. I have verified that that is a vellum, really nice. So they have multiples of several sheets that you can use. So it looks like you probably do 3, 4, 5, probably about 6 sheets of each. That is really pretty papers. Look at that one. I love that. It almost looks like watercolor. So got that one. And then you got this beautiful with a burgundy and pretty colors, purples. And then this one, how cute is that? I don't like the spider part, but. And then this one. I'm not a big Halloween person, but I do love fall. So then you got this one. And then look at this beautiful one. This is really, really pretty with all the leaves. Oh, now, although I'm not a Halloween person and I don't like spiders, I love the purple pumpkins. That is pretty. All right. I think we're going to just play with those tags for a minute and see what we can come up with. Okay, let's give this a whirl. So I've got a tag. I've picked out 2 papers. This is one of the really nice vellum papers. And this is just a regular piece of paper cardstock from the other. So it came with this really plain tag already cut out. We're going to use the colors that came with it. So it came with forest green, shimmer, pumpkin, and autumn night. I'm going to take this pumpkin and I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm just going to take the pad straight to the tag, and I really think this is a beautiful color. So we're going to just go around the edges. I don't know if you can tell, but this shimmer is amazing. Just really is. Okay. So we've got that all around the edges there, and it is juicy shimmer ink. Lovely. Okay, so then what I want to do is I want to first cover this with this fun piece of vellum. So I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to cut it to fit the bottom part. And yes, if any of you are wondering, I always travel with a craft bag, so I can do fun crafts when I travel. And I never know what I might get into, so I try to bring a variety of everything. So we're just going to take some glue around the edges of this piece, and the base of the tag is approximately 3 by 5, and I'm not including the top there. So we're just going to glue this here. I did cut it just a little smaller, but it looks like it needs a little more trim. So I'm going to take my scissors to this and get this cleaned up. Now this shimmer ink is really, really juicy, and it stays wet for a while. So similar to your pigment ink. It's probably considered pigment ink, I don't know. All right, so I'm going to take a piece of this and I'm going to pull it apart just by tearing it. And we're going to try to see if we can get this approximately the size that I want just by tearing it. Now I like to have that color on the edge here, just like you are distressing it or making it look old. And I'm going to use this pumpkin. Now it is very wet, as I said, so it takes a while. You could emboss it probably, so it'll take a while. I just got some on my pants. All right, so now I'm going to glue this in place just with my glue. And we're just making a simple little tag. Now I like this edge here, so I will trim these offending corners that wants to take over. You can see on here, I'm going to cover that because that is showing all kinds of. All right, and then we'll take a little piece down here. So let me cut this. We'll get it about the same, and we're just going to tear it down here. Let's see if this will fit nicely. Let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around the edge with this on the inside because it's really pretty. And then we're going to glue that down here, and then I'll trim what doesn't fit, and then I can, I can add the ink to that edge. So let's put it here. Let's do it this way onto the edge there. There's a fun stain that came with it, and it's already die cut and ready to go in. You can see they're not stickers, they're actually die cut, Really, really pretty. I think that one would look good, or the black. How about we do fall harvest blessings? Let's do that one. Pumpkin spice and everything nice, of course. Let's do this one. We got that. That'll be pretty. Let's just put the pumpkin. Let's put harvest blessings, pumpkin. Let's take the autumn night. I'm gonna see how deep this color is. It's a dark color. I'm just gonna go around the pumpkin, give it some dimension. There we go. Can you see that? Okay. And then we're gonna put that here. We'll glue that down. Now you could add all kinds of things, really and truly. I'm just doing this kind of on the fly, quick. Trying to decide where I want that pumpkin. I'm gonna take harvest blessings and put that on here also. And then we can take okay, so I added a little bit more to it, some gems here, bow up here, my tag tails here with some twine, and just a few more other things, even though I couldn't add, like I could add the gourd, the pumpkin, and the leaves, but the wagon wouldn't fit. That's okay, you know, and this is just one thing that you can do. There's so many things that you can do, but I wanted to do something with the tags, and I want to do more, but we'll have to save it for another time. So I hope you enjoyed previewing this whole kit, and we'll make some more fun things with it before fall is up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.